In this present crisis, government is not the solution to our problem. Government is the problem.
Alright. I think it's me some chicken and rice. Hauled some chicken out today. Put me some little bit of olive oil down at the bottom of my wok. Sliced up the chicken. You can pull it apart if you want. But what I do is just cut it up whatever bite sizes I want. And then I went ahead and put some rice, peas, celery, green onions, mushrooms into the steamer with the rice. I also have some cabbage. Kind of cut it thin, shredded it up a little bit. Gonna throw it in. Alright, added my cabbage in. Let it cook down. Let the rice and the dehydrated vegetables cook. Looking good. Okay, now I dumped 1 can of chicken gravy in with the chicken and the cabbage. All I gotta do is wait on the rice and the dehydrated vegetables. Alright, rice and dehydrated vegetables are done. A little bit of soy sauce, a lot of hot sauce. There it is, my version of chicken and rice. Pretty damn good stuff.